This is encouragement from Dr. Hank and my good health. My friend, the beauty of our magnificence is that we have the power to make our lives the way we want it. Our thought is so powerful that it literally molds the energy that creates worlds into what we want. This includes our ability to overcome any health condition and create our good health. Read these words with feelings, as they will create the good health and youthful body that you desire. My body responds to my thoughts. I have the freedom to think whatever I want. I now think about me and my good health that pleases me. I am wanting to have good health. I'm wanting to be slim, trim, and fit. I'm wanting to live a long and healthy life. My thought now creates a youthful body. I love the idea of looking younger on every deep breath. I love the idea of feeling younger on every deep breath. I'm wanting to have a full, functioning body. I'm wanting to have all of my bodily systems performing beautifully. I'm wanting to have my cells be free and allow my well-being to flow to me. My thought is now given to my body feeling good. I love feeling so good and looking so good. I love creating a body with vitality and all the energy I want. Now let's have fun with this. And if your right knee hurts, think about your left knee, and this good health will flow to your right knee. As we just focus on our good health, only good health shall flow to us with ease and grace. Love, Dr. Hank, and expect a healthy and a fun week as you focus on your